Morning, guys. It is May 5th, 2022. Going to do a little early morning coffee chat. And my coffee here, Miss Molly. It's early in the morning on the 5th. And just do a quick little recap of what's going on with me and what I've been doing and all that stuff. Um, Finally got my truck fixed with the injector. You guys all know that it's been an issue for a little while, and my mechanic kind of put me on a back burner on that. But we got it straightened out, and truck was in the shop for a couple of days. I took a couple of days off. Probably before that, I really just needed a little break from everything, and I really haven't been posting a lot of videos lately. But I haven't given up on the videos. Today I'm going to be going to Connecticut, actually, and Colin's having this residential class workshop for the residential burners, and the Colin gas conversion burners basically is what it's about, and the controls and whatnot. And I never took a class on that, and I noticed that they had one. It was cheap enough, like $50. It's a 2-hour ride though, going down the highway. It's a little bit of a ride, so I figured I'd go there. I might learn a couple of tricks and tips about the units. So I'm planning on doing that today. So that's gonna kill today. But I got jobs lined up. It's getting on AC season, and I just apologize for not posting any videos for a couple of days. Usually I always have videos to post, and I like to post something decent. And if I don't have anything, I'm just not going to throw up anything. I want something decent, you know. I try to post every day, but sometimes it's hard. I've been posting videos for 9 years now. I got over 103 million views, and I got 3,500 videos. So I got a lot of videos out there. And I try to do one a day. Sometimes it's not feasible, especially if you're taking some time off. You take a couple of days off and you're just kind of relaxing. Your truck's in the shop. Sometimes it can be tough. I haven't gave up on it. I'm still very interested in doing videos. I'm surprised I haven't lost interest in it, to be honest with you. I drink my coffee black, no sugar. I'm trying to get away from the sugar and trying to quit the beers and the wine and all that shit, which is all full of sugar. I'm trying to cut back on the sugar. Little Miss Molly here. This is her favorite spot. She falls asleep in my arms right here. She's been with me since 3 months old. She's going to be 4 now. Next month she'll be 4 years old. Little Miss Molly. But anyway, I just wanted to do a quick little coffee chat, let you guys know that I'm still fine, and just needed a little break here and there, you know. I'm really set back with the fuel prices that's been going on lately. Home heating oil, $6 a gallon now, which is flipping crazy. Crazy, $6 a gallon for heating oil. It's really ridiculous. Gasoline has gone way up. The whole economy, I think, is going to crash. Not looking good. Not looking good. Inflation's so high. All the pots you buy now are like through the flipping roof. A lot of people are really cutting back. They're not spending unless they absolutely have to, and I don't blame them. I'm getting to the point where I'm starting to feel that way too, you know. I really kind of feel sorry for the retired people that are on a fixed income. It's not going to affect me as much because I could just always raise my rates on my plumbing business if I had to, and which I did this year. Raised them. I went from 96 to 125 on my standard rate, and didn't even skip a beat. No one complained or anything, so it was kind of good. Even the price of food's gone through the flipping roof. Well, diesel is what, diesel at the pump is what, 6.30 now. So all the food's being brought in it's under diesel power, big trucks. So I think somebody says that to fill up a diesel truck, it's like $1,200. And it used to be probably like 600. Now it's 1,200. Crazy. But anyway, just wanted to do a quick little coffee chat, let you guys know that I'm still okay, and there'll be more videos to come as I mosey on back out there and do some work and get some decent videos to post. I'll post them. AC videos are going to be coming soon. I mean, the stuff I work on up here is completely trashed. I still got a lot of R22 and I guess a bunch of 410A I picked up. So I got enough of that stuff to last me. A lot of the stuff I work on really needs to be replaced, but people are just cheap. But now the price of refrigerant now, they're going to have to start upgrading. They're coming out with that R32 stuff, which is flammable, and there's going to be all kinds of new safeties on the new equipment coming up, and it's going to be a real shit show. I don't know. They should come back with the 22. That was good stuff. Didn't have a lot of, shutdown safeties on it because it wasn't flammable, and now they're coming out with this flammable stuff. Anyway, I just don't wanted to do a quick video, have something to post for today, and let you guys know that, once I take that Colin course, if I learn a couple of tricks and stuff, I'll let you guys know about it. I'm sure I'll learn something. I always do when I take these courses. There's always a little something that, the manufacturer could teach you. And I always like to keep learning and keep going back to school if possible. And there's always stuff that they can teach you a little trick that might take you a while to figure it out, Anyway, just a quick little video, little coffee chat, and hope you guys have a good day, and more videos to come.